How to find favorite photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Once inside the app, go to the bottom panel under the Utilities section and tap on it. This section contains several automatically generated albums, such as hidden and recently deleted. From this list, go ahead and tap on Favorites as shown. This album gathers all the media you have marked with a heart icon for quick and easy access. You can now browse through your favorite items and tap on any photo to view it in full screen. Following these steps, you can easily view your favorite photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.